Chapter 1 Concept of Networking. Chapter includes Introduction to Computer Networks, learn parts of network devices, learn network topologies, importance of a network, types of network, know security of network. A network is a collection of computers and other devices that are linked together to exchange data, servers, network devices, peripherals. An excellent example of a network is the Internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Given below, the image illustrates the network with the multiple computers and other network devices all connected to one another. Importance of network. Networks have made communication cheaper and faster and also help in saving resources. Let us understand the importance of network in our daily life. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Share and save resources. Computers on a network can share resources like printers, modems, scanners, plotters, CD drive, USB ports, etc. This allows cost saving. Storage media. When a computer network is created, one computer acts as the main computer or the server. This server serves or distributes the software or hardware that the other network computers require. Facts.com. The computers in a network which can communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in a network is called node. Facts.com. Internet is a term which refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. Effective backup. You can make 2 copies of important files and save them on another network computer or the server. If one system faces hardware failure, the data will not be lost, which ultimately is the most important. On the other hand, you can also work on another network computer if a computer stops working. Effective means of communication. A network builds a very effective means of communication as it provides cheap and quick communication. Sharing information. Information can be easily shared among the computers connected through a network. Makes administration easy. A person can sit at one place and still keep an eye on all the computers being used. She can troubleshoot from the same point and also help in the effective dispensation of resources. Effective security measure. The security of a network is managed through passwords and usernames. Also, when all the important files are saved at one place, it is easier to protect them. Advantages of networking. Efficient use of storage media. It is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than to store a copy of the application on each user's storage device. Preserving information. It is difficult to maintain regular backups on a number of standalone computers. When you keep backups on a central location, you have one place to look for the lost information. Reduction in hardware cost. In a network, the hardware devices which are not used very often, like modems, printers, scanners, etc., can be shared. Efficiency. In a network, the deletion modification of the software data is to be done at a single point only. Redundancy. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents. Quickest documentary delivery. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to other computer throughout the world. Parts of a network. Even if only 2 computers are connected, they are said to be in a network. A network is made up of different parts or components as given below. Network interface card (NICs). It is an important hardware device that differentiates between a networked computer and a standalone computer. Every computer in the network has one network interface card. It has a port that helps to join the network cable to the computer. Communication media, it can be wired or wireless. Communication media, wired, wireless, twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber, Bluetooth, infrared, microwave, radio wave, UTP, unshielded twisted pair, STP, shielded twisted pair. Facts.com. The computers that are a part of the network are called nodes or workstations. Wired network. Electrical cables such as twisted pair coaxial cable or optical fiber are used to carry signals from one end to other. Wireless network. They do not require cables rather than signals and are transmitted using Bluetooth, infrared, microwave or radio wave. Facts.com. Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to interconnect mobile phones, computers using short-range wireless connections. Wireless is a mean of communication that uses low-powered radio waves to transmit data between devices. Hub switch. Hub switch is a device that is used to connect a number of computers together to make a network. Modem. Modem is a device that joins the digital computer to the analog telephone line. It converts digital signals to analog signals and vice versa. Connector. RJ45 connectors are used for the twisted pair cable to connect it with the network interface card. Types of networks. There are various types of networks which are used worldwide these days. Depending on the geographical area covered by a network, there are various types of computer network which are as follows. Let us learn them in detail. Personal Area Network (PAN). A personal area network is the smallest network which is very personal to a user. This may incorporate Bluetooth-enabled devices or infrared-enabled devices. Personal area network has connectivity range up to 10 meters. May comprise wireless computer keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth-enabled headphones, wireless printers, and TV remote. For example, Piconet is Bluetooth-enabled personal area network which may consists up to 8 devices connected together in a master-slave fashion. Facts.com. A server is a computer, a device or a program that is dedicated to managing network resources. Local area network. A local area network is a type of network that is used to connect personal computers in a room, building or campus. Is used broadly in offices as it allows its users to use resources such as printers, scanners, plotters, speakers, etc. on a common basis. Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network is a network that is used to connect personal computers or other electronic devices like mobiles and television in an entire city. It can also be used to connect different LANs situated in the same city. A very good example of a MAN is the cable that we receive in our homes. Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network is a network that is used to connect personal computers to large geographical areas like continents. The best example of a WAN is the Internet. WANs are usually used by very large companies or government agencies. They require a public telecommunication media such as the telecommunication lines or the satellite signals in order to transfer data. Other examples of WAN include the ATM facilities, net banking and the telecommunication services. Facts.com. Wireless network allows networks to be deployed without cabling. Network topology. All kinds of networks work on a specific format of arrangement. The various formats of arrangement of computers in a network are called topology. There are different types of topologies that a network can use. The most common topologies available are bus, star, ring, and tree. Let us learn about these network topologies in detail. Bus topology. In this topology, a single cable known as a backbone with multiple points is involved. All the computers, printers, and other hardware are connected to this cable. Any electronic signal passed by some node can be received by all the nodes on this cable, as the signal can travel in both directions. The cable has terminators at its end so that the signals can be absorbed by them. They do not clutter the network line. Star topology. In this topology, all the computers are connected to a central hub switch. All the computers are connected separately with individual wires to the central hub. Ring topology. Circular topology. This topology uses multiple links to form a loop of computers. Each computer is connected to the loop, thus forming a kind of a ring or a circle. A message or a token goes round the loop continuously. All the computers or the nodes are equipped with a token ring adapter card track, which helps them to read the token or the message that passes through the loop continuously. Facts.com. Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data over the Internet rather than off computer's hand drive, such as Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Apple iCloud, etc. Tree topology is the combination of bus topology and the star topology. This type of network arrangement can have multiple servers. These servers can be interconnected so that a user may access their own server as well as the bigger server when required. This topology is used when there are a large number of computers to be connected and there are distinct branches of an organization that need to be connected. It needs a lot of cables to be used, and the success of the tree topology depends largely on the cables installed. Facts.com. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. It represents wireless local area network. Security of networks. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in computer networking. Login security. Applying this security measure, all the users who want to access the data are provided unique usernames and passwords. Only those people who have a username and a password can access that data. Write security. Write security is a step forward to login security. Applying this security measure, restricted access rights can be provided to users. Depending on the username, the access rights are restricted to particular folders where the user can access only particular folders pertaining to his/her own work. Thus, we see that it is very important that the network is to be safeguarded and unlawful access and usage of data can either be restricted or controlled. Under the rights security, if someone tries to access someone other's files, a rights prohibited message will display and the network administrator will be informed that a particular unauthorized person is trying to access the information. Client-server network. It is a network where several computer called clients or workstations are connected to the main computer called the server. A server is a computer that provides services to client and controls access to hardware, software, and other researches. Clients are the computers which request services like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Key points. A network is a collection of computers that are connected to each other to allow the sharing of data. A server is a computer that provides services to client. A network of computers is required for effective means of communication, effective backup, effective security measure, easy administration, and as a storage media. A network comprises of transmitter, receiver, server wire, connector, and network interface card. There are different types of network, such as local area network, LAN metropolitan area network, wide area network, WAN and personal area network. The different formats of computer arrangement in a network are called topology. Network technology contains bus topology, star topology, ring topology, and tree topology. Network security can be in two ways, namely login security and write security. It is extremely important that the network is to be protected, and unauthorized access and usage of data can either be prohibited or controlled. Networking in computers brings efficiency, economy, and effectiveness in any organization.